So it comes like this. Let's open it. Boom. Nice. Got some instructions in here, how to install it. It says that it's gonna be pretty easy to install. I will show you a little bit later. Look at this color. Nice. This is what I was looking for. Look at the color. It's like an oily brush, like bronze brush. Looks amazing. It's gonna be the perfect touch for my kitchen. Like, it's pretty cool. Okay guys, it took me just like 5 minutes to install this. It was pretty easy, not complicated at all. I'm not a handyman. It was like so easy. I didn't use this part because I don't have, like in here in my countertop, I just have one hole. I don't need, if you have the other two holes, you can use this piece to cover it and it will work perfect, okay? And check it out. So in here, just open it, pretty good pressure. Go like hot water and cold water, okay? And then you got the steam in here. Then it's gonna be the spray. And then if you press this button, it's gonna be the double. Okay, and look at this. It turns 360 degrees, so it will go around all the way. It's perfect. And it comes like with the long hose, so you have 20 inches, so you can get anywhere here in your sink, okay? Pretty cool thing to have. And it comes with the blue key. So with this, you can open in here, and in any case you need to like clean your faucet, like you can clean it. It's so easy. And so for hot water, like all that, you don't have any problems.